Here at Rhino Auto Hub Limited, we are telling you that car headlights don't have to cost an arm and leg. Kuna msemo kama huo? Don't have to cost an arm and leg. Reason being, tumejua kwenye dealers wanatoa hizi lights. Tumeenda huko kwenye wako kama ni hii, tumeenda huko Japan, mpaka kwenye manufacturer anatengeneza hizi headlights, authorized Toyota dealer only with their certificates, authorized Toyota dealers with their certificates. We were there and we were able to locate kwenye wanazitengenezea. So we are getting these headlights at an amazing offers, at an amazing low prices that you can actually afford. These ones, both of them, kuja na 120,000. I know right now if you go to most shops, they will sell a single at 150,000. One of them, 150,000. But here at Rhino Auto Hub Limited, what we are telling you, come with 120,000. 120, Giriganalea 20. We are going to give you the pair, the two of them. You go and upgrade your car. If you don't have someone who can properly install them, we can do it at your own convenience. Sawa sawa. This is Rhino Auto Hub.